Hello, how you doing, guys? So welcome to Mr. B's Chemistry Embassy once again this afternoon. So today, what are we going to be talking about today? So we'll be talking about mixtures and what are the various types of mixtures. So I will be talking about two types of mixtures. So number one is called heterogeneous mixture, and the second one is called the homogeneous mixture. So I'll be showing you guys how to differentiate between these two entities. So what is a mixture? A mixture is a combination of two or more things. So when you combine two or more things together, to mix, for them to mix, so it's called a mixture. And like I said, in mixtures we have hetero and homogeneous mixtures. So what is the major difference between heterogeneous and homogeneous mixture? So heterogeneous mixture means when you mix two things together, so it's not going to become one. So you will notice the difference between the layers. So a very good example of heterogeneous mixture is oil plus water. So I'm sure you've probably heard about the phrase which says oil and water don't mix. No, because the oil stays on top and the water stays below. So that is an example of heterogeneous mixture. So that you will know the difference between the layers. You will know that this is water, this is oil. So no matter how you mix it, it's not going to become uniform. So the key word is uniformity. So in heterogeneous mixture, there is no uniformity. You will notice the difference between the two mixtures. So that is heterogeneous mixture. So, and you would always remember it by saying hetero. So hetero, separate mixtures. So the second type of mixture is called the homogeneous mixture. So an homogeneous mixture is when you mix two or more things together, you won't notice the difference. So it will be very hard for you to see the layers of those two things. So a good example is salt plus water. So when you mix salt and water, you mix it very well. You will mix it very well. So you will notice that after a while, you won't notice the salt. So the salt would have dissolved completely. The salt, if it's not saturated, then it's going to be dissolved completely in that water. So that is when you say the mixture is homogeneous, because you can't really tell the difference between the layers. You can't really see the salt and you can't really see the water. So that is the major difference between an heterogeneous mixture and homogeneous mixture. So once again, what is a mixture? A mixture is combination of two or more things together. And we have two types. So what are the first type? Heterogeneous. And the second type is what? Homogeneous. So in heterogeneous mixtures, when you mix two or more things together, it's not going to become one. You will notice the difference between the layers. And an example that I've said is oil and water. When you mix oil and water together, it's not going to mix. You will see the difference. Oil will stay on top and water will stay below. Then in homogeneous mixtures, like I said, when you mix those two things together, you won't know the difference. It's going to become one. It's going to be uniformity. And an example that I've said is salt and water. So when you mix salt and water, when you mix it, stir it very well, at the end of the day, you won't really know the difference between salt and water. The only difference is when you taste it, you say, oh my God, this is a salty water. So that is how you would know. So I don't really have much this evening. So it's all about mixtures, different types of mixtures, example. So I hope that you guys understood this. So if you guys are still watching this video, so it will now be the time for you to like, subscribe, share the notification, turn off the notification bell, and share this video. Also comment. So let me know how I'm doing, and let me know if you guys are getting any value from what I've been teaching you guys. So thank you guys. Subscribe. Thank you, and I'll see you guys next time. All right, see you.